What are you doing? She's gonna bring her toy back over there like she did. She's banging her toy off the computer. Where's Daddy? Ayla, where's Daddy? Ayla, come here. Ayla. Step off the computer.
What?
She's over there again. Up.
You said my old board was a perfect fit. It went right in that computer. You didn't have to do any modifications.
She was like, she's all over the fucking place now. Oh, we're so disrespected. What are you doing?
Look at her mouth open. Like, wow, I can finally get around.
What are you doing? You're crawling all over the house. Look at Mama. Up. She's going for her bubba, Dada. Get your bubba. Nope, she wants some of that juice. Look, she's like, look how far I crawled. Oh, well, you're going back again? Yeah? See ya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ayla.
Hello?
Bye-bye. What are you doing?
Hey, you.
Ayla is crawling all over the place. Now let's see where she's going. Oh, you're a hussy. Oh, maybe not. Where you going? No, no. Daddy's just gonna get the cat. That's not real cat, Ayla. No, 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 no. That's just a fake kitty.
Don't let her in here.
Come here. Come over here. Ayla, please. Alright, Ayla's going bye-bye.